Good evening. At this hour, a Halifax emergency room is closed to all but life-threatening cases after 3 healthcare workers were injured by a patient with a weapon inside the ER this afternoon. Now, multiple sources telling CTV News there was a knife involved. CTV late anchor Bruce Frisco has been tracking the story. Lots of things to look into here. Bruce, what can you tell us?
Absolutely, Todd. Officials have technically just called this a threat or an incident, but a senior government official referred to it as a stabbing in a conversation with one of our CTV reporters today. So here's what we know right now. Halifax police say they responded to a weapons complaint at the hospital and they took one person into custody. This was around 1 p.m. today. Short news release says there is no threat to the public and the investigation is ongoing. A memo, though, sent to hospital staff by the Nova Scotia Health CEO, Karen Oldfield, says the incident in the ER has, quote, left many shaken. We're told 3 staff members were injured in this incident, but if the health minister had been briefed on any of the severity of those injuries, she is not commenting publicly.
I don't have that information right now. As I said, this is an incident that is unfolding and ongoing, and so information will come and we will share as we're able. Simply that I want to commend the staff at the Halifax Infirmary Emerge for their incredibly quick response. They activated help, they cared for their colleagues, and I can't imagine the situation that they found themselves in today, and I want to commend them for their response.
Thompson did say at one point, quote, we are very concerned about the well-being of these staff members, but offered nothing else, including their positions, possible positions in the ER. By the way, there actually is a hospital code for this kind of thing. A code silver was called. That is used when there's a risk to safety due to somebody armed with a weapon. Police have not updated us since 3:20 this afternoon, and as you say at last report, the ER was open, but only accepting life-threatening emergencies.
Okay, so a lot of questions still to be answered here, Bruce, and we will stay on this, of course. I know you'll have an update in our late news at 11:30.
Sure will.